In this video, I'm going to take this block of wood, which is made out of some 2x construction lumber, and this pattern to make a bee box. Welcome to my next video in this series of alphabet boxes. And since I've already done the A, I'm going to do the B now. This is the pattern I'm going to use. I've got a blanket made out of some construction pine, and I've got two narrow pieces on the back. This first layer is glued on the corners with wood glue. This piece is stuck on with masking tape and super glue. So I'm gonna mount the pattern, cut the whole entire outline, then I'm gonna peel this one off, and then I'll have to drill, because I don't want to cut through. I've been cutting through to make the drawers. I don't want to cut through the whole thing. I'm gonna drill a hole in there somewhere to cut that out, and then I'll have a front for the drawer to hide the holes there. And I've got this small piece here, a contrasting wood, to use as a drawer front. I've also got some little small bees I'm going to use as drawer pulls. So I got to get this pattern mounted and make the first cuts. And I'm going to use a number 12 Pegas super skip tooth. And then we'll move forward and see if I can make this work. So here we go. So I have changed my mind about drilling and cutting these drawers out. Since I'm going to have a front on it, it's going to cover the cut I make in. It's going to be 1,000% easier to cut in and cut that drawer than to drill a hole and get the blade up or through the hole. It's very thick material and difficult to get a blade through and get it connected. I have done it, but I'd rather do this. It's much easier. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'll cut the front separately. I printed another copy of the pattern, and I can drill and cut that one with no problem with like a number 3 or a number 5 blade. So anyway, here we go, and we'll cut out these drawers. Well, there is the finished project, the bee box. It works pretty well. I'm fairly pleased the way it turned out. Would have liked some of the larger drawers, but I'm limited by the depth I can cut on these with a scroll saw. So it's a large chunk of wood just for those two drawers, but it still represents the bee, which is what I was looking for. So if you like that, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and see how I do. I'm already working on the pattern for the C box. It's going to have 2 drawers also. You just have to tune in and see how I do that. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.